Rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Start with the name of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the most merciful and beneficent. Respected teachers, honorable guests, and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand before you with a message that resonates deep within our hearts. Respected sir, Pakistan is a nation built on the sacrifices of millions. From the vision of our founding leaders to the hard work of every citizen. Respected sir, respected teachers, we face challenges, poverty, illiteracy, corruption, and inequality. Our system needs reform, complacency is over. The time for excuses is gone. Pakistan needs change must begin with us and its citizens. Let's work together and be inspired. Our rich history. Let us rise above challenges and build Pakistan that is prosperous and united. Pakistan stand proud on the global stage. Dear friends, we will change Pakistan and we will shape our proud to sail home. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। आखिर में अपना तकरीर इस शेर से खत्म करना चाहता हूँ, हम तो मिट जाएंगे ए वतन हारस, तुझे जिंदा रहना है क़यामत की सहर तक। वस्सलाम।
मुख्तसर है कुछ